guys, and welcome back to Namira Taneem's channel. But I am not Namira Taneem, as you can see. If you didn't recognize, don't worry. But today we got a package in the mail because there is something in the package that relates to this. So let's go ahead and move that. Oh yeah, Republic of Gamers. ROG Strix by ASUS. Let's go. It's just hiding in the corner. Thinks it's nothing. As you can already read, DualShock 4 back button attachment. Ta-da! Covers this up, goes there. So, instead of this, we're gonna open this first, then the beast. So, move this. You guys want to see this? Let's go. It's quite tiny. Oh yeah. It's like getting a new heatsink for a PC. Oh baby. Oh yeah. There's a little sticker. You guys want ASMR? Watch this. Oh, that was so clean. Look at this. This is where you connect it. Little PlayStation button. This is very cool. A headphone jack for your headphones, because obviously you won't be able to put your headphones in, but they went around that PlayStation controller. Oh yeah. Oh, you know that extra slot right there said exit? I'm pretty sure that's for here. If you guys can see that inside. Right there, yeah. So, need a little bit of force. Put it in. Because this is gonna, yes. Look at this. Oh, that actually feels, they're big, but I feel like I could get used to them in some time. Let's see if I turn on my PlayStation controller. Yes. There you go. And now you can switch what you want. Oh. And now you can go down. So for me, I personally want my, what was it again? My pickaxe here. So, define triangle. Let's go. Then this one, I wanted my, my circle. So, let's go ahead and find circle. And again, you guys can cancel it out or put anything you want on it. It's totally your choice. You customize it. There you go. That is what I want. Then you click that button and there you go. Triangle and circle. If you guys want to know the specs, here are the specs. Just look at this ROG Strix, ASUS. Just promotes everything. But now, if we flip this around, these are all the specs if you want to zoom in on that. This is G512L. I'll read all the specs just in case. My beautiful voice. ID plus colors. L1C black plastic. LCD 15.6. I'm not gonna read that. I'm gonna just read the important. VRAM 8GB, CPU Intel i7 10th Gen 750H, and then we have an ODD HDD 512G and a G3 SSD, and then we have RAM DDR4 8GB 2 sticks. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 gigs. Our last gaming computer had a RTX 2060. This one has an, where is it? RTX 2070 in it, which makes it powerfuler than our other one. Intel inside. And I never knew it says G Edition on the side. Look at it right here. You can even see that it's raised. It comes with. Oh, did you guys see that? That's so clean. That is so clean. You can barely see that, so I'll just take it out. Look at that. This brick is smaller, but like bigger. Then we have this. If you think about it, ooh, got some paperwork, and that's all. Yeah, just for. I don't think so, but you know this right here, the eye that's staring at you, it's like a monster. Imagine that would glow, like the Apple symbol glows when you turn it on. So ASMR time, baby. You know, instead of like other gaming computers, they have normal laptops, they have everything at the side, right? No, there's just air vents so it can get cooled. But then most of the parts are back here. Can you guys see that? The power cable, your USB Type-C, HDMI, and Ethernet port. That heats up, so a lot, like over here, because that's where the battery is. So hopefully this might stop it from making this heat up. Go. Oh, come on. We've been waiting to see it for the long. Before we take off this and see the beauty, it's got a 144 hertz display. Means it's fast, and you get, I'm pretty sure this is 1 or 5 milliseconds, but still 144 hertz, which makes your gaming experience smooth. And the other thing is, there is no camera on this. I already have a webcam, so it doesn't really matter if there's a camera or not right there. This is a real beast. It's bad, it's great, it's got RGB, it's got the RTX 2070, got an i7 10th gen, 16 GB Wi-Fi included. But up here, volume button, and then your volume louder, volume lower. No mic, you can mute your mic from there, and the fan. And then that, pretty sure that's to change the RGB on here. The Republic of Gamers. Republic of Gamers. Ready? It's 100 to 200 volts. 50 to 60 hertz on this bad boy. Now, are you guys seeing that? Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! WASD, those are typically what you would use. You would be keeping your hand like this on them. And so if you're in the dark, you can see those are the keys that you need to use for your game. The other ones are black with, this is true RGB right here. Let's see if this does anything. Remember this button down here? This is a button that we didn't know what to do with. It's just the eye. So does it do anything? Yes. I also want to do school projects on this, and I want to do that. I don't know about business. I'm just not going to collect that for now. This is the other side. Liquid metal cooling inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.